In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Steam account. Steam is one of the most popular platforms for buying and playing PC games, and setting up an account only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through each step, explain what you're seeing, and share a few tips to make the process smooth and secure. Start by opening your web browser and going to store.steampowered.com. On the top right, click Login. On the login page, select Join Steam or Create an Account. This takes you to the sign-up form where you'll provide a few basic details to get started. Enter your email address twice to confirm it's correct. Make sure this is an address you can access right now, because you'll need it to verify your account. Next, choose your country from the drop-down menu. This helps Steam show you the right currency, regional pricing, and relevant content for your location. Complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a bot, then check the box to agree to the terms and confirm that you're at least 13 years old. When everything looks good, click Continue. Now, open your email inbox and look for a message from Steam. If you don't see it within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. When the message arrives, open it and click the verification link inside. This confirms that the email address belongs to you and is required before you can finish creating the account. After clicking the verification link, return to your browser tab to complete the setup. You'll be asked to create a Steam account name. This is your public username, and it must be unique on Steam, so if your first choice isn't available, try variations until you find one that works. Then create a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password you use anywhere else, and consider a password manager to keep it safe. When you're done, click Done to finalize your account. You're all set. Log in using your new account name and password. From here, you can browse the Steam store, check out game details and reviews, add titles to your wishlist, and access community features. Remember to keep your login information secure, and consider enabling additional security options later for extra protection. That's the entire process for creating a Steam account. Thanks for watching.